City lights, fast beats, nothing slows me down. Every step, every drop of sweat, that's mine.
Whoa.
This is momentum, yours to make. Adidas, create your
This is Sora 2, and it just broke the internet. Ever since OpenAI dropped those mind-blowing previews, everyone's been begging to try it. But here's the thing, Sora 2 isn't available everywhere. Most people still can't access it. Until now. Because Higgsfield just did something insane. They took OpenAI's Sora 2, unlocked it, removed all restrictions, and made it available for the entire world. No waitlist, no limits, no region lock. Just unlimited 1080p cinematic video generation powered by Sora 2 itself. And what they've launched is called Higgsfield Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro, the world's first uncensored AI cinema engine that lets anyone, anywhere, create Hollywood-level videos straight from text.
When electricity meets emotion, every drive becomes something more. From mountain switchbacks to city streets, power flows instantly, silently, relentlessly.
Stop the landing!
So, let's break down what all this hype around Sora 2 is really about. Because this update from OpenAI isn't just another improvement. It's a complete leap forward in how AI understands video. Sora 2 can generate full 1080p cinematic quality videos, with dynamic camera motion, scene continuity, and even audio-synced dialogue that looks like something straight out of a film studio.
Hold steady, brace! Heave! There! Shield wall for the north!
Unlike the earlier builds, this version doesn't just predict the next frame. It actually reasons about what's happening in the scene. So when a camera pans, it knows where objects should move. When a character speaks, it syncs perfectly to the voice, and when the story shifts, it keeps the lighting and tone consistent from shot to shot. Alright, so the biggest question everyone has right now is, how do you actually get access to Sora 2? Because if you've seen those viral clips online, you probably already know. It's only available in USA. But here's the good news. You can use Sora 2 and even Sora 2 Pro today through a platform called Higgsfield. Now, before you think it's just another random site, let me show you what it actually is. Higgsfield is like an all-in-one AI creative studio. It combines everything in one place. You've got image generation, AI video tools, lip sync, product to video, and of course, Sora 2. All integrated together, so you don't need to jump between 5 different tools or APIs. It's basically the first platform that made Sora 2 available for everyone, worldwide. No region locks, no waitlist, and no invite code.
He looked past the edge of the map and saw an entire world waiting. Visionary navigator, cartographer, and the man whose name endures on a continent. Venture beyond the known, discover what's next.
Once you're logged in, just go over to the video section, and right there, you'll see Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro listed. Both of these use the same base technology from OpenAI, but here's the difference. Sora 2 gives you 720p cinematic video generation and perfectly synced visuals with sound. Sora 2 Pro takes it to another level. It gives you 10 80p videos, adds multi-scene reasoning, which means you can generate stories with continuity. The same characters, same lighting, same logic across multiple shots. Alright, let's actually see what this thing can do. I'm going to start with something simple. Let's try to recreate an iPhone-style ad. You know those clean, slow-motion shots, perfect lighting, and ultra-realistic product reflections? Yeah. Let's see how good Sora 2 really is at that. So here's my prompt. Nothing crazy, just a clean cinematic product reveal. Now, if your video has a lot of motion, like moving camera shots or complex lighting transitions, you should choose Sora 2 Pro instead of the standard version. It costs a few more credits, but honestly, the difference in results is night and day. It'll take a couple of minutes since the servers are absolutely slammed right now. This thing is in massive demand. Wow. That looks insane. Like, this literally looks like an official Apple commercial. The lighting, the reflections, the product motion, it genuinely feels like it was created by Apple's in-house team. And remember, this was just one prompt. Let's try something different, a bit more viral. You've probably seen that video where a cat saves a baby from a bear, right? A bear walks up near the house, the cat jumps in and scares it away. It went insanely viral, got millions of views. So I'm going to recreate that scene and see how realistic Sora 2 can make it look. All right, prompt's ready. Let's hit generate again. And here's the result. No way. That looks too real. Like, this is honestly terrifying and impressive at the same time. The bear's motion, the camera grain, the cat's movement, it's indistinguishable from an actual security camera clip. AI is officially scary now. Now, here's a pro tip that a lot of people miss. If you look closely on the video generation page, there's an option called Unlimited Mode. When you turn this on, your generations won't cost any credits. Yep, unlimited video generation. No limits, no countdown timers. But there's one catch. This unlimited mode is only available until October 12th. So if you're watching this before then, take advantage of it while it lasts. You can literally experiment, test different prompts, and create as many cinematic clips as you want without worrying about credit usage. If you want me to create a full tutorial on Sora prompts, comment below Sora tutorial, and I'll create next video on that. I added the Higgsfield and other useful links in the description below. Try it out yourself.